Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research and note-taking tool that helps you understand, summarize, organize, and interact with your own documents instead of searching the web. NotebookLM focuses on the sources you provide and answers questions based on those materials. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use NotebookLM for beginners in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing first, open NotebookLM, like visit the official NotebookLM website, sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you will see the option to create a new notebook. So every project starts with a notebook. Okay, so create a new notebook, click create notebook. Okay, then give your notebook a descriptive name. Okay, for example, biology notes, okay, business research, marketing ideas, exam preparation, projects planning. Okay, organized notebooks make future research easier. Okay, so add your sources, like upload the materials you want NotebookLM to use. Supported sources may include PDF files, Google Docs, text documents, website URLs, research papers, study notes. So the AI will analyze these sources and build a knowledge base. Okay, you can also wait for processing after that. So after uploading, NotebookLM will process the content depending on file size. This may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once processing is complete, the documents become searchable, so larger files may require more processing time. Okay, so this is it, guys, for how to use NotebookLM or use NotebookLM for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.